Hi, I'm Nick Butcher, an engineer on the Android Developer Relations team, and I'm going to show you a quick trick for your activity animations. So by default, when you switch screens, Android will show an animation between those two screens. A slight variation on the standard animation is using a grow up, grow down animation, which helps you to retain some context where the users come from. You might be familiar with this from the recents animation, but you can use it in your own app. So here, for example, I have a grid layout, and if I touch on one of these tiles, like this top right one, it'll grow up from where I touched. And if I go from around here, it'll grow from there. So it helps to retain context. I've slowed this animation down using one of the tricks, using one of the settings in developer options called Transition Animation Scale, just to demonstrate this better. If I turn that off and go back, you'll see it's pretty subtle, but it really does help remember where the user came from. Best of all, this is incredibly easy for you to do in your code. So here we are, I'm creating a bitmap to scale from. So here it's just a simple color for my demo. And then you just use the static method on activity options to call make scale up animation. Passing it the view to scale from, the bitmap thumbnail to scale from, and it will return you a bundle. You pass this bundle to your call to start activity, and this will perform the animation for you. Couldn't be easier. One slight variation, which I've commented out here, you can see in the code, is to scale up just from a view without the thumbnail option. So if you don't have a thumbnail to scale from, this is slightly different. You'll have to do a fade animation as well as the grow animation, so you have a slightly different effect. But if you don't have a thumbnail to scale from, you can use this. Thanks very much.